It's almost bonfire night, but before you light yours, let me show you something important. Bonfire nights means fireworks, firelight, gatherings, but for hedgehogs and other wildlife, it can be a dangerous time. What looks like a bonfire pile to us looks like home to them, a warm, safe winter nest until it's lit and becomes a deadly trap. Let's do things differently and protect the hedgehogs in our gardens and neighborhoods. British Hedgehog Preservation Society has issued a simple and practical 3-step plan to reduce risks during bonfire season. Stop, move, check. Do you really need to build a bonfire? Could you attend a community event or mark the evening differently? Fewer bonfires equals fewer risks to wildlife. If you do build one, only assemble it on the same day you plan to light it. Move any collected materials to a fresh location just before lighting. Animals might have settled inside already. Before lighting, check every part of the pile. Use a torch. Gently lift with a pole or broom and listen carefully for a hedgehog's hoof or rustling. Never use a spade or fork. These tools can cause serious harm. Light only from one side, so any animals can escape. What to do if you find a hedgehog in your bonfire pile? Before I share more practical ideas, let me show you the drawing of this little hedgehog I started to help spread the message, because they really need our help this time of year. I make these videos to help people notice the small, beautiful lives around us. If you'd like to support that, please share, subscribe, it helps me keep going and reach more people. Thank you. If you do discover a hedgehog hiding in an unlit pile, gently gather it along with its nesting materials into a high-sided box lined with torn newspaper, straw, or towels. The lid must have air holes and be secure. Hedgehogs can climb. Use gardening gloves or a folded towel to handle it. Hedgehogs' spines are sharp. Place the box somewhere safe and quiet, shed, garage, away from fireworks and activity. Offer meaty cat or dog food or cat biscuits and water. After the bonfire embers are fully out, release the hedgehog near where it was found, under a hedge, bush or log pile, including its original nesting materials. Add extra food and water too. There's always more you can do beyond your own garden. Encourage neighbors, friends, and your local community groups to use these friendly, safe practices this November. If you're organizing a bonfire event, consider wildlife-friendly alternatives or extra precautions. Stay alert to hedgehog presence in your area and treat bonfire season with extra care. By working together, we can make a real difference and save lives. Isn't it exciting? If you are curious to learn more about hedgehogs, you are very welcome to check out my other video. I'll leave the link in the description, along with the British Hedgehog Preservation Society's website for their helpful guidance. Let's make sure this bonfire night is safe for everyone, including our prickly neighbors.